Welcome to the CougarTech Team 2228 training video on how to safely use the bandsaw. Before using the saw, be sure that you are wearing safety glasses, appropriate footwear, and that if you have long hair, it is tied up and out of the way. You should clearly mark the lines you are planning to cut before approaching the saw. Put your piece on the saw table and using the knobs, adjust the guard height so that it is just above the height of the piece. This will ensure that only a very small portion of the blade is exposed. Bring your material back away from the blade and turn on the saw. Slowly, push your piece towards the blade. Make sure that you are standing perpendicular to the blade direction, because if the blade snaps, it will fly out towards anything parallel to it. Make sure that as you push the piece, your fingers stay far from the blade. If the piece is too small for that to be possible, use a piece of wood or metal to push the piece instead of your hand. Also, do not twist the material around the blade. Once you have completed your cut, turn off the saw and wait for the blade to come to a complete stop, and remove your pieces from the table. Never leave the table while the blade is still moving. The smaller bandsaw that Team 2228 owns does not have a brake to slow down the blade, but the larger saw in the shop can be stopped in this way. Be aware that friction from the saw may cause the piece to heat up. Use the knobs to lower the guard all the way down so that it is flush with the table. Remember to answer the questions on the bandsaw worksheet and, after demonstrating correct use of the bandsaw, turn the sheet into the safety captain.